What happens if your lawnmower is stalled while cutting the grass or cannot start at all? Before go to a repair shop or buy a new one, why don't you give a try to fix it? It did happen to me also. I simply fixed it. Let me show you how. Gas operated lawnmowers can stall or may not start due to two main reasons. One is clogged fuel line or the carburetor. The second one is faulty spark plug. So, what you are going to do with the clogged fuel line or carburetor? Just blow it. It is very simple. How we are going to do that? I will show you how to do it. First thing is you have to make the fuel tank empty. For that, you can use a manual pump like this, or you can attach a rubber bulb to a plastic tubing with tapered end. Then you can draw all the fuel inside the tank. Now the fuel tank is empty. Now you have to remove the air cleaner. So this is the air filter. So I am going to remove this one. Now to blow this out, you need a small compressor and the blow gun like this. If you don't have air compressor, you can take a paper towel like this and wrap around the mouth. Right. Then you can blow with your mouth. Now before you replace this air filter, you better clean it. You can see there are a lot of dirt on it. Just remove these parts. Right. You can use a brush and clean the air filter. If it is too bad, you can replace it with a new one. Then clean the covering. It is fairly good enough now. You put it back, then this part on top of that. make sure this rubber seal is on it. Okay, now I hope it is clean enough now. The lines are blown out. Now second thing, the spark plug. First you have to locate the spark plug. It is here, right? So this is the terminal lead. You have to just pull it, right? Then you can see the spark plug. To remove the spark plug, you need a spark plug socket attached to the ratchet. If you cannot find a spark plug socket, you better have a ring spanner, but this is the easiest one, so I am going to use this socket. This is the spark plug, right? You can see there is no damage on it, right? But it is very dirty here, so I am going to clean this first. Clean the spark plug with a wire brush. And check the electrodes. This is the side electrode and this is the middle electrode. Electrodes are fairly good, but to clean the electrodes, you take a piece of sandpaper and I am just cleaning this because I don't have a new one, so I am going to reuse this. Okay, looks like it is very clean. Now you have to adjust the gap. The gap should be 0.03 inches. I don't have a gauge for that. Therefore, I am using the hacksaw blade, a standard hacksaw blade, to check the gap. If the gap is too wide, you have to give a little tap here and make the gap correct. Yes, the gap is correct. Now it is clean, and if this is too bad, just check this number, right? Take a photograph of this number and go to the store and buy a new one. This terminal also very clean, no cracks. Electrodes are clean now. You can now it is looks very clean. You better blow out the dirt. Now I am going to replace the spark plug. Just hand tighten it. Before replace the leads, you better check whether there are any dirts or cobwebs inside. You can clean it with the cotton swab. Okay. And clip the lead. Okay, it's good enough. Now fill with fresh gasoline. Check these holes on the cap. If clogs, clean those. It helps regulate pressure inside. Voila, it's done. Hope it will work. Thanks for watching.